Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Beauty in the Forest. If you are here for the first time, please make sure subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So here I'm starting with the brows, and today I will try to create cut crease using a lip brush. As you know, it's a quarantine time and the whole world is locked down, so it's not possible to get the actual weapons you need for the cut crease. So first time I am just trying to do something which should look like a cut crease. Okay, so we'll see how it goes. Here I'm using a brown shade and applying it on my crease line. And here I've taken one shade darker than the previous one before. I will apply only in the corner, in the middle part of my eyes. Eyes mean the eyelids. So this is the starting. This is one of my old lip brush. I've taken some concealer, which was I think Maybelline Fit Me concealer. Now I'm trying to draw a line on my crease area. I don't know where the crease areas are, but this is something I'm trying to create with the lip brush and the concealer. I'm neither the beginner nor the professional, I'm the middle one. I feel so close to you. But if you really knew, were you gonna tell me? Were you gonna tell me? Were you gonna tell me? You thought I knew. Were you gonna tell me? You can use any flat brush. Now for me it's very difficult to draw a liner using only one hand because I always use my two hands, but for shooting purpose I have to hold mirror in my one hand. And I heard you say we're falling like stars, and I didn't notice the chaos inside my heart. Next time I'll share some tips regarding how to stick the eyelashes. Here I've taken that golden shade and applied underneath the eyes, and the same white shade I'm taking again and applying it into the corner of my eyes. Now these are the eyelashes and it's very difficult. I never do a full line first. I always apply my lashes and then I take any gel liner or a liquid liner, then try to give a really good shape. So now I'm done with my both eyes, and now I'm taking a gold shade, which is one of my favorite, and now I'm applying it on the center of my eyes. Here I have taken that brown color again and darkening my corners. You can see. This is optional, I mean, if you want to, you can. This is my Raw Cocoa lipstick, the Powder Mattes by Maybelline New York in the shade MNU12. So this is the final look I have created with using minimum product and minimum weapons, I mean the brushes. Hope you like this tutorial, and next time I will come up with the new ideas and the new makeup looks, and of course the hairstyles, because I don't have that much time, because I have a very little tiny baby who always interrupt again and again, so it is very difficult to manage with the housework, with the babies and the makeup and the tutorials. So please make sure like my channel, subscribe to my channel, and please comment down below if you want to see any particular look next time. Okay, tada, thank you, enjoy.
We're falling like stars.